So here we are at the other side of the classroom where we have two machines for the water resistant testing of the watch cases. One is a dry tester where you don't use any water. One is with water. So we'll first start with this one. You put the watch in here under a very precise meter. It measures the exact thickness of the watch at this stage. We add this part and now we create a vacuum in the space around the watch, which makes the glass bend a bit up, a little bit due to the vacuum, and you measure the difference. Then you keep the vacuum for some time and you check if the glass doesn't go down. If it goes down, it means that the vacuum goes into the case and there's a leak. And the good thing is that there's no water involved. So if there's a leak, the inside of your watch is still safe. So here we go. We go to about 0.6, 0.7. And here I can see the meter going up. You stop it and you wait. If the hand stays the same and gives the same number, the watch is water resistant. So I tested this one before for a longer time. So we can now release the pressure. And then we can remove this part. Then we go to the second test. This one works quite different, where you basically create pressure in the air chamber above the water. So you take the watch all the way up, out of the water, you close the chamber. So how it works is that you create pressure in the air part above the water, forcing the air to go into the case. If there's a leak, the air goes into the case. Then you release the pressure and at the same time you lower the watch into the water. So if the watch is not water resistant, the air is pressured in the case, so there's a higher pressure than on the top when you release the chamber. So then you will see bubbles coming out, which is a very good indicator of not only that it's not water resistant, but where the leak is, if this is on the crown or a glass. So then we start creating some pressure. This machine doesn't go to a lot of pressure. It's tested up to, can go to 6 bars, but they design it for 3. So we pump up. So now if there is a leak, air will go into the watch and we release the air and lower the case into the water. So you can see some little bubbles coming underneath the bezel, which is probably just some air that's there. There are no leaks visible. So the watch is okay. There's still one more way to test in this machine we don't have here, which really mimics the water pressure trying to get into the watch, which is the exact thing that happens when you swim with it. And then there's the last test, it's just going out into the sea. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe.